Hello guys, I really welcome you to the official YouTube channel of King Sam Graphics. This is King Sam right here. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel for more graphic design contents, and if you are old here, thank you ASAP for coming back to watch this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Day flyer right in pixellab. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. Alright, so I will leave all the resources right in the description, so you can go ahead and check them out. The images I used all are in the description, and I will leave the fonts too. You can even go ahead and download all my font pack right in the description. Alright, so let's get started with our business for today. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is just go ahead and delete this text because you don't need it at the moment. Alright, and then change the background color. We are using gradient, so I have this gradient color right here, but I want the darker portion to be at the base and the lighter portion to be at the top, so just adjust it this way. Okay, very simple this way. Alright, so our background color is being set, so let's go ahead and import our first image from our gallery. Okay, so from gallery, alright, so we have our first image right here. Okay, so just add this image right here, increase the size to fill the whole screen this way. Okay, and then go ahead and reduce the opacity. Go ahead and reduce the opacity 8 to 5% this way. Okay, and then lock it this way. Good. Alright, so let's go ahead and import our second image right from gallery. Okay, so we have second image right here. We are using this image as our second image this way. Okay, so this is our second image. You can go ahead and then position right in the middle this way and then lock it. Alright, so I want to add some shadow effects right to this image right here, but if you use the default shadow effect, it becomes a bit deeper, so I don't like using that one. Let me try for you to see what I mean. Just go to shadow this way. You can increase the brightness a bit, the offset this way, and then this way. You can see the shadow is a bit deeper. I don't want it in that way. Okay, so let's try this way. Just go ahead and click on shape. You can increase the radius way to 100% this way. Okay, change the color to black this way, the stroke way to 60. Okay, and then the blur radius way to 25. Okay, this way. Alright, so you can go ahead and reduce the opacity this way to 19. Okay, this is cool. And then the 3D rotate, just click on it and then rotate it this way. Can you see it? Good. Just adjust it and then move it behind this one. Okay, this way, and position it very nicely here. So you could see there is a shadow effect, but it's not very deep or it's not very sharp. Do you get me? You can even increase the opacity a bit. Okay, way to 31 this. Okay, alright, just click on a checkpoint if you've gotten your desired shadow. Okay, just go ahead and copy it. So lock the first one. We are going to apply it to the second image right here, so for that one too. Okay, so you can position it right here and then move it this way. You can adjust it. Okay, reduce the size a bit, or to see you have the shadow right beneath this one. Okay, so take your time and adjust it this way. Alright, okay, so seeing this okay for me, you can go ahead and just lock it this way. Okay, cool. So the next thing we have to add is our next image right here. Okay, so this one, let's add this one. Okay, can rotate it a bit. I want us to change the color to white. Just click on color and then white. This way, move it behind all the stars right here. Okay, this way, and then lock it. All right, this is cool. All right, so we have our next image right here. Let's just add it this way. Okay, so this is our next image right here. This one. Okay, this is our next image. I'll leave all the resources right in the description, so you can go ahead and download them. Okay, so let's add some shadow effect. We want to add some shadow effect to this image right here. So just go to shadow. Okay, this way. You can increase the blur radius a bit, offset this way, then that way. Okay, this okay. This is good for me. Okay, so just go ahead and copy it this way. Can decrease the size, copy, can rotate it a bit, copy. Okay, can put that one right here, this way, copy, this way, copy. All right, that way. Can rotate it, decrease the size a bit. All right, so we are done with adding our initial images, but the work is not complete. So you're just going to add some effects and then test right to it to make it very catchy. All right, so let's continue. The next thing we're adding is our first test. So just click on this one, test, and then just type in happy, as in happy Valentine's Day. So just type in happy. Okay, click on OK. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is just change the font to this one right here. Okay, so we have this font right here. Just change it to this one. You could see part of the font is being cut off. To solve that, just click on it, click on edit, and then space it up. Okay, just space it up. You get the full length of the text. Can you see it this way? Very nice. All right, you can reduce the size a bit and then position right in the middle this way. All right, so the next thing you have to do is we have to emboss it. So click on emboss and then move the intensity weight to 0, the ambient light weight to 100, spectral hardness weight to 100, and then the bevel weight to 1. Can you see it this way? Cool. And then the shadow, just enable the shadow. Let's edit it a bit. The opacity weight to 71. The blur radius, you can keep it at 7. Is cool. Then the offset, okay, it is okay. Alright, so just click on the checkpoint right there. Okay, so let's add another text right here. So the Valentine, so just type in Valentine. Don't add a time. Okay, just type in the Valentine. You add a time later. Sorry, capitalize it this way. Okay, and then change the font to this font right here. Okay, so you are using this font right here. Okay, just click on the checkpoint this way. Okay, let's emboss it using the same preamble for the first one. Okay, so intensity to 0, ambient light 100, spectral hardness 100, and then the bevel to 1. Okay, this way. And then the shadow, let's adjust it this way. Can increase the blur radius a bit, offset this. Okay, all right, so just position it right here. So we are going to position it this way. Sorry, this one. Okay, this one. position it right here. Okay, so this way. Cool. Okay, so happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so the next thing is the time. We want to add the time. So you have the Valentine. Okay, so just go ahead and copy the valen. Okay, copy this way, and then go ahead and edit it this way, the time. So Valentine's, add the S, Valentine's Day. Okay, this way. Alright, you can increase the size a little bit, then center it this way. I go ahead and lock it this way. So we have our happy Valentine's. And then with the day you're using the same font as that of the happy. Just go and then copy the happy this way, edit, and then type in day this way. Okay, so some portion is being cut off, just space it up. Same here. Okay, so happy Valentine's Day. This way you can rotate it a bit. Alright, and then position it right here, way backwards. Alright, so take your time. Okay, this way. Alright, so we have our happy Valentine's Day right here. Okay, so the day is going with under the love image. Okay, so you can move it a bit to this, expose the whole text. Okay, alright, it's quite cool. Alright, so we've added our happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so we have this code right here we want to add. So just click on this to add the text right here. So you're going to add Plato's quotes, he said, and this is the quote. I quote, "At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet." Alright, so that's Plato's quote right here. Okay, so I want this to be into rows this way, at the touch. Okay, at the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. Alright, so okay, that's Plato's quote right here. Alright, so just go ahead and change the font. You're using this font right here, this font right here. Okay, so you can decrease the size a bit this way. Okay, and then align center. Alright, so let's position right in the middle this way. Alright, so we want to acknowledge the poet. Okay, so let's add his name. Just copy this one, the happy. Okay, copy it this way and then type in Plateau, just to acknowledge or who the owner of the quote is. Plateau. Okay, it's very necessary to acknowledge the person whom the quote belongs. Okay, so this way you can decrease the size a bit and then move it right here. Okay, you can space it up a bit. Alright, then center it, position right in the middle, and then go ahead and lock it this way. Alright, so the next thing you're adding is the date. let's add the date. That's February 14th. All right, this way. Okay, and the font as well. This one. All right, so decrease the size a bit, position it right in the middle, this way. Right, so this is Valentine's Day flyer right here. We are almost done, just adding one more image to go. All right, so it's a lighting effect, this one. All right, so just decrease the size this way, position it right here. Okay, I want you to position it right here. Okay, nice. And then copy this one, position it right here, this way. Cool. Wow, this is very nice. Basically, this is how to create Valentine's Day flyer right in PixellLab. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave your comment right in the comment section, and then let's get interacted. All right, thank you, and see you in my next upload.